This is my review of Julie Bauer's Paleo Cookbook. I've been a fan of Juli for about 10 years, and in the beginning, in the table of contents, you get a section. So breakfast, poultry, beef, lamb and pork, seafood, soup, salads, snacks, desserts, drinks, and then basics. So this is like sauces and things like that. This is the best recipe one of my favorite, honestly, of all time. Buffalo chicken casserole. Absolutely delicious. The base is, it's almost all vegetables except for the chicken. The base is spaghetti squash. Highly recommend that one. Sweet and spicy sweet potatoes. Again, this is simple, but the flavoring she puts on it, it really makes this an exceptional dish. The photography, of course, is beautiful. She always explains the recipe and she tells you like kind of how she came up with it or why it's special for her. And then she also puts different items that would complement it well. And these items are also in her cookbook. So every recipe is going to say, pair your pork chops with, and she gives you 2 ideas. You might like your pork loin with these 2 items. And then she does desserts, which I love. So it's a healthy cookbook, yes, but it's also realistic. I've made these so many times, peanut butter and jelly cups, and they are phenomenal. Juli is creative. She's funny. The photos are beautiful. And if you want to eat more vegetables, you want to eat a little bit healthier, and you want to laugh while you do it, I can't recommend this enough. Sometimes she does call for like a little bit more complicated ingredients, like she'll use ghee instead of butter, or you might need to go to like a specialty grocery store, but there's often always a substitute you can use as well, and that's what I do. I love this cookbook. I definitely recommend it.